so you're not alone in this.
Just admit the fact that you're no match for me and my partners.
I have partners too. Wanna see them?
No, we're here to take you down.
Too bad.
I'm assuming that's Sailor Mercury, right? Oh, hell no. Shit, that's Sailor Mars. But don't worry, we're gonna take you down either way. Oh, come on, not another one! Who even are you?
Holy fucking shit! Oh, good lord.
Civil danger warning for the city of Baltimore. The following message is transmitted by the Baltimore Police Department and the Young Ravens Republic government. Sailor Moon.EXE has brought in 3 new individuals, and they are all hostile. The first one is Sailor Mars.EXE, a Japanese female, weighing at 113 pounds, at a height of 5 feet 3 inches, with black hair and black eyes with red pupils. She was last seen wearing a red skirt and red high heels. The second one is Sailor Mercury.exe, a Japanese female, weighing at 109 pounds, a height of 5 feet 2 inches, with blue hair and black eyes with red pupils. She was last seen wearing a blue skirt and blue long boots. The last one is Sailor Jupiter.exe, a Japanese female, weighing at 134 pounds, and a height of 5 feet 7 inches, with brown hair in a ponytail, and black eyes with red pupils. She was last seen wearing green heels and a green skirt. The Young Ravens Republic is trying their hardest to stop them, but so far nothing is working. In addition, Justin Tucker and Yuri found something out about one of them. Sailor Mars has a power named Fire Soul, where she shoots fire out of her hands, killing anyone in its path. It was going to hit Yuri, but she dodged at the last second. Unfortunately, it hit an office building. But for now, all residents of Baltimore should still stay in your homes. Stay tuned for more information.
Is that all y'all motherfuckers got? Ha! Shit, we finna take these assholes down. Lamar, shoot 'em.
Ready to fire at your command.
Whoa, holy shit! Was that Sailor Jupiter?
That was definitely from Sailor Jupiter.
Lamar, are you alright?
He's good. Honestly, we need to call him the other country.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Young Ravens Republic government. A lightning warning is in effect for the following cities in the Young Ravens Republic. They are Anne Arundel, Baltimore County, Glen Burnie, Owings Mills, and Towson. This is because Sailor Jupiter.exe has the power to summon lightning bolts. If you get hit by one of the lightning bolts, you will face certain death. All residents of Baltimore should hold on. Oh my God, Sailor Moon just broke into the EAS studio. I got to get out of here.
We're making some progress over here. I like it.
This shit is too fucking easy.
You damn right it is, Zay. Dude, what the hell? Who in the absolute fuck are you?
Oh my goodness.
What was that for?
You laugh at us. You pay the price.
I ain't gotta pay you nothing. Wait, what? Yuri died? Yuri died?
I'm afraid so.
What the frick?
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. She'll make you curse, but she a blessing. She'll rip your shirt within a second. You'll be coming back for seconds with your play. You just can't help it, no. You'll play along, let her lead you on. You'll be saying no, then saying yes, cause you're messing with your head. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Grab a cop, gun kinda crazy. She's poison but tasty. Yeah, people say run, don't walk away. Yeah, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. See, someone said, don't drink her potions. She'll kiss your neck with no emotion. When she's me.
The following message is transmitted by the Young Ravens Republic government. Residents in Baltimore find shelter immediately. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a new member of the Sailor Team .exe was summoned. The member's name is Sailor Chibi Moon.EXE, a Asian female, weighing at only 49 pounds, with a height of only 3 feet 5 inches with green hair and black eyes with green pupils. She was last seen wearing green boots and AA green and blue skirt. The Young Ravens Republic is trying to stop the Sailor Team .exe, but still, nothing is working. Also, a member of the Young Ravens Republic was killed by Sailor Jupiter. That member was Yuri. Stay tuned for more information.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Atlanta Police Department. As of right now, Sailor Jupiter EXE was spotted killing everyone in her path. The Young American Guns has been deployed in Atlanta to stop Sailor Jupiter EXE and will head to Baltimore to help the Young Ravens Republic. Also, the members of the Young Ravens Republic are now new members to the Young American Guns since their disappearance a year ago. And also, President Johnson has contacted President Ravens to conduct this war transaction and will convene how to end all wars that is going on right now. Stay tuned for more information.
Girl, I'm finna beat your fucking ass.
You're just a kid hanging out with a football team.
So what? Oh no. Somebody cover me! Oh no.
We can do it our way, and if love's just a game, then come and play.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Young Ravens Republic Government, the Baltimore Police Department, the Young American Guns Government, the Young Ravens Defense Command, and the United States Government. This is not a test. Again, this is not a test. The Sailor Senshi.exe is causing major damage to the city of Baltimore. It has been reported that Sailor Moon.EXE is breaking into homes, killing everyone in the houses. It has been confirmed that all the Sailor Senshi has powers. The Young American Guns, along with the Young Ravens Republic, is trying extremely ultra mega hard to stop the Sailor Senshi.exe. Also, 7 members were killed. They are Justin Tucker, Jess Kiku, Red Mangle, Sophie, the Queen 2K11, Saquon Barkley, Floofy Plays, and Daniel. It was reported that Yalen Hurts and Saquon Barkley were trying to help the Young Ravens Republic. It's only Yalen Hurts left. All residents must neither exit their homes or evacuate or enter Baltimore. Stay in your homes until the crisis has ended. An emergency action notification will possibly be in effect if this crisis gets worse. Stay tuned for more information.